Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the brewing stand with blaze powder and placing water bottles in the bottom slots. Once done, add one nether wart to the top slot to brew an awkward potion. This is the universal base for almost every potion. Make sure to keep the stand fueled so the process doesn't pause. You need at least one pufferfish in your inventory later. Collect extras to avoid running out if you make multiple potions. Once the awkward potions finish, put a pufferfish into the ingredient slot to brew potion of water breathing, which lets you breathe underwater for 3 minutes. You do this because the pufferfish imparts the water breathing effect onto the base potion. Make sure to watch the brewing timer and don't remove bottles early. Interruptions will waste materials. If you plan long underwater work, brew several bottles at once to save time and fuel. Finally, extend the potion by adding redstone dust to turn a 3-minute water-breathing potion into an 8-minute potion. This is vital for longer dives and exploration. Once brewed, transfer potions to your inventory or store them in a labeled chest near your base. If brewing fails, check first that blaze powder is in the fuel slot and that you used an awkward potion followed by a pufferfish. Wrong ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.